Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first two challenges, let's take up our third challenge now, which is implement block pricing. So once if you launch your playground, let's go to our app launcher and click on Salesforce CPQ so that you will get this page. And now let's go to our products. So here I'm just gonna click on mobile control center app. So if you are not getting, just click on drop down next to recently viewed followed by all products so that you will get this. Just click on it, and now let's go to our related tab. So here if you scroll down, you will find block prices. So next to it, click on edit all, and here under price name I'm gonna give it as licenses, and for lower bound give it as 1, and for upper bound give it as 5, and for price give it as 3. So once if it is done, click on plus next to it and just copy the same price name and paste it over here. So it should be SES, not CES, which is corrected. And for lower bound give it as 5, and for upper bound give it as 11, and for price give it as 8. So once if it is done, click on save, and guys now click on edit, which you will find over here. So now just scroll down. So here you will find pricing method, so give it as block followed by save. So that is all about this challenge. Let's go back and scroll down and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our third challenge also. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.